Discover comfort and elegance in this impressive Cornerstone-built home, nestled in the sought-after Enclave at Heritage Parks. This beautifully designed 4-bedroom, 2-bath residence features an inviting open floor plan filled with natural light and stylish finishes throughout. Enjoy luxury vinyl plank flooring in the main living areas, plush carpeting in the bedrooms, painted cabinetry, granite countertops, and eye-catching decorative lighting. The spacious kitchen and dining area seamlessly flow into a large, welcoming living room, perfect for entertaining or relaxing by the cozy wood-burning fireplace. Retreat to the luxurious master suite, complete with a walk-in shower, freestanding soaking tub, dual sinks, and a custom walk-in closet. Enclosed porch is ideal for hot summer days, and the raised bed is the perfect size for your gardening needs. Prime location near Hendrick Medical Center, ACU, shopping, dining, and more.